Hi, my name is Pearl, and today we're going to be solving this question from the Engineering Mechanics textbook. So, the first thing you should know is the addition of all the component forces in the x-axis. The component forces is 325 newton here, and the F and this 600 newtons here is going to be equals to the resultant force x component, and the same thing, the summation of the y component of the component forces is equals to the y component of the resultant force. So first you should know that the question says if the resultant force acting on the bracket is to be 750 newtons directed along the positive x-axis, which means the resultant force Fr is along here and its value is 750 newtons. Determine the magnitude of F. F is the component force and its direction, theta. Okay, so first we're going to resolve this. Frx is going to be 750 equals to, what is the summation of all the x components? Let's start with 325. For 325, its x component is going to be 5. This is its y component, 12. So it's going to be in the ratio 5 over 13 times 325 plus this f has its own x component, which is f cos theta, plus 600 newton over here also has x component, which is going to be, this is x component and this is y component. Using SOHCAHTOA, its x component is 600 cos 45 degrees. If you resolve this, you're going to have 750 equals to f cos theta plus 549.26, which is f cos theta equals to 201. I'm going to make f subject formula. You're going to see why shortly. Over cos theta. Now moving on to fy. The resultant force has no y component. You can clearly see it's only in the x-axis. So it's going to be 0 equals to the summation of the y component of the component forces. 325 is going to be in the ratio 12, as you can see here, over 13 times 325 plus f sine theta plus, actually in this case it's going to be negative because it's facing, the y is going in the negative y direction, so we're going to have negative 600 sine 45 degrees. If you resolve this, you're going to get 124.26 plus f sine theta, which is going to be f sine theta equals to 124.26. Now remember I made a subtract formula here. If we simply substitute into this f here, we're going to have 201 over cos theta sine theta equals to 124.26. Sine theta over cos theta is actually tan theta. That's why I had to make a subtract formula, 0.26. If you're going to make theta as a whole subject formula, it's going to be tan inverse of 124.26 over 201. So this your calculator, you're going to get 31.7 degrees. And to solve for f, we simply put theta back into the equation. Over cos 31.7 degrees is going to be equal to 236 Newton. So therefore, we have gotten the answer. Thank you for listening. I hope you understood. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Anything you do not understand, please don't hesitate to ask it in the comment section. Thank you.